Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host M Ghosh and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I brought for you today is about Sirisha Bandla. She on 11th July 2021 will become only the second Indian born woman and the fourth Indian to go into space. An amazing, inspirational moment for all Indians. I'm sure you want to hear more about her, but before I do that, I'd like to share with you a brief about the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I started this channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant in May 2020. And in a short span of about a year, we have got over 575 subscribers and 13,000 viewing hours. Our mission is to ensure that the present and coming generations live by the eternal human principles such as honesty, integrity, respect for diversity, respect for our elders, work ethics. These principles do not change over time and place and are etched in stone. Living a life with these principles is the only sure shot way to success. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel to kindly subscribe and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by the eternal human principles. Coming back to our inspirational Indian woman, Sirisha Bandla. She was born on 22nd January 1988 at Guntur district and brought up in Houston, USA. She is a graduate of aeronautical engineering from Purdue University, which she completed in 2011. She completed a master's in business administration from George Washington University in 2015, and presently she is working as the Vice President, Government Affairs and Research Operations at Virgin Galactic, and British American space exploration company owned by UK billionaire Sir Richard Branson. When she goes into space on 11th July 2021, she will be accompanied by Sir Richard Branson as one of her crew members. The others with her will be Beth Moses, Chief Astronaut Instructor, Colin Bennett, Lead Operations Engineer. Sirisha will taking up multiple testings during the flight. Sir Richard Branson, and already mentioned earlier, is the founder of Virgin Galactic, and he is going there to test the environment and conditions and the training which takes place for future astronauts, and he will give feedback as to how to improve the process. Dave McKay and Michael Masucci will be pilots of VSS Unity. The VSS Unity spacecraft is an air-launched spacecraft from beneath a carrier aircraft. This time, the carrier aircraft is White Knight 2. It will be launched to an altitude of 90 kilometers or 295,000 feet, from where all the astronauts will be able to experience weightlessness for a few seconds and also see the curvature of the Earth from space. VSS Unity, which is owned by Virgin Galactic, is going into its 22nd mission, and this particular flight is the fourth manned flight for VSS Unity spacecraft. For Virgin Galactic and VSS Unity spacecraft, it will be the first fully manned space flight of the full crew of 2 pilots and 4 mission specialists. This test flight on 11 July 2021 focused on testing the cabin and customer experience. And Sir Richard Branson himself is leading this. He wants to experience and understand the total experience for future astronauts of Virgin Galactic astronauts, how the training will be for them, how it can be better improved, how will be the cabin experience, what will be the various experiences they will have, how to better improve these experiences. So this is a very important testing mission for both Virgin Galactic, for VSS Unity spacecraft, and for Sir Richard Branson. When Sirisha Bandla was contacted, she said, "I am incredibly honored to be a part of this amazing crew of Unity 22 and be part of a company whose mission is to make space available for all." Her grandfather, Mr. Rajaya, is a retired scientist, and he says from the very beginning she was very much focused towards space, looking up at the sky and wondering how to enter space. I am very happy and overwhelmed with joy. My second granddaughter is going into space. Her family is very proud of her, and rightly so. Richard Branson, the owner of Virgin Galactic, said, "I truly believe space belongs to all of us. For me, more than 16 years of research, experimenting, engineering, innovation has led to Virgin Galactic standing at the vanguard of new commercial space industry, which is set to open space and universe for mankind and change the world for good." Friends, a truly inspirational journey from a little girl in Andhra Pradesh, Guntur district of India, to a space astronaut. Sirisha Bandla will be setting milestones and standards for Indian women to follow. Friends, Sirisha Bandla is only the second Indian born woman and the fourth Indian going into space. Preceding her were Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, and Indian American Sunita Williams. These are all names which are etched in gold in human history. I am sure many of us will be following Sirisha Bandla when she goes into space and following the broadcasts and following her crew and Sir Richard Branson during this foray into space. Friends, I am sure all of you like these inspirational videos which I bring for you on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Like I shared with you earlier, our mission is to inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles. I request you once again, please do subscribe to the channel and also share these videos and encourage your friends and family to subscribe to the channel so that they too are inspired to live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Stay safe, good luck, all the very best. We will meet soon with another very inspirational video on your very own channel. Thank you.